Hi everyone, this is John with the Patient Technology Program at CS Mott Children's Hospital and Build Up Mobile. Today, we are going to do the BattleBot Challenge. Here is the BattleBot we will be using today. It is an EV3 LEGO Technic Robot. So here are our two contestants, Mitch and Ryan, and we are going to do BattleBots today. Both of these robots are exactly the same. Our contestants will be adding on to them to see who can build the better BattleBot. They're going to have 10 minutes to add whatever they want to their robot, and then we're going to have our first series of battles. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Hi, my name's Ryan, and this is Destroya, the perfect life form. My strategy here was twofold. First, keep him from being knocked over. So I installed this back wheel mechanism to keep him from tipping backwards. I don't think this is going to allow that to happen. He can still move a little bit, so that's good. It's connected to the base of his body where he's got a strong foundation. I put these stabilizer wings on the side for side tipping action. I don't think that'll happen, but just in case. And then this is my main plan of attack. I extended his arm to keep distance between me and the enemy robot, or use it in a horizontal motion to knock him over. I think my robot has better defense than offense, but slow and steady wins the race.
Hi, my name is Mitch. This is Charles. He's much more, as you could say, simple. His only mechanism is to tip. So we got this guy way up high to knock him over to get the most leverage from the top. So if we ever reach that guy, we're going to tip him over with this little platform.
Alright, so we're going to do best 2 out of 3. 3, 2, 1, go!
No!
I win!
Oh!
I win!
Yep. Alright, the first round goes to Mitch, or Charles, the robot. Round 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1, begin.
my whole back.
Alright, fix up your robot real quick. But it is tied 1-1. Alright, final battle. Winner takes all. 3, 2, 1, go!
Tail.
Oh, you flipped off your tail!
This whole thing is...
Come on, get him!
No! No! No!
Wow! Oh my gosh.
Once you lose your back stabilizer, you're in trouble.
Yep. Well done, Mitch and your robot, Charles.
Oh.
All right, Mitch and your robot, Charles. You are the winner. How do you feel?
I feel really good, especially after my opponent was touting that he'd definitely win. It really came down to shoddy craftsmanship and little to no structural integrity that really led to his demise. So, I mean, it goes to show 15 minutes if you're in a rush, rather just keep it simple than just have a whole bunch of fluff.
There you
That's
go.
it.
Good strategy.
Yeah.
Okay, Ryan and your robot. Please say its name one more time.
This is Destroyer, the perfect life form. Even though I lost, I will take solace in the fact that I definitely had the better crafted robot, defensively and offensively. My opponent's weapon couldn't even reach my robot. It was so poorly made. In hindsight, having this back apparatus for stabilization made the main stabilizer, being this little guy here, very vulnerable, and once I lost that, it was game over for me. So I would make that a bit more structurally sound. But, you know, sometimes people get lucky and win, and that's okay. I'll get them next time.